Hi friends, this video shows how to enable auto call recording. First open phone app, tap on this phone app icon, then tap on these three dots, go to settings, tap on settings, then tap on record calls, then tap on auto record calls. Here we can see on off button. First we need to turn on auto call recording. Tap here and turn on auto record calls. Here we can see three options. All calls, that means it will record all calls. If you want to record only unserved numbers, we can select second option. Select the third option if you want to record only specific numbers. Those specific numbers we can add here. Tap on number to auto record. Here we can add the specific numbers which we need to record. Go back. If you want to see recorded calls, we can tap here and there we would be able to see recorded calls. Go back. If you want to delete old recordings, tap here. From there we would be able to delete old recordings. Then if you want to get notification after recording, we need to enable this first option, show notification after recording. Okay, so this way we can enable auto call recording. If you want to disable this auto call recording, that is very easy. Just disable notification, then disable auto record calls. Tap here and disable auto record calls. Done. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.